In this video, you will discover how to go from earning nothing to over $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing based on real-world experience. I want to focus on helping those of you who are just starting out or have little to no money to get started. In this video we will show you how to build up to over $10,000, $12,000, or even $15,000 per month using affiliate marketing based on proven methods that really work. This video is jam-packed with valuable information, so be sure to watch it until the end. Now, before we jump into exciting details about how to create your own affiliate marketing money machine, I want to ask you to click to like and subscribe, and share this video and our channel with your friends so that they too can succeed in affiliate marketing. The most important thing to begin your affiliate marketing business is to find a high-converting product to promote. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting someone else's product and earning a commission when someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase. Membership-based products are the key to generating recurring monthly cash flow, which is crucial in building a successful affiliate marketing business. By focusing on membership-based products, you can generate consistent income and have the cash flow to try different strategies and upscale your business. In this video, I will show you how to find membership-based products that will produce monthly cash flow. I will also show you how to plug these products into a passive income generating system that will start generating daily commissions for you. Additionally, I will provide free traffic sources and strategies that you can use to start earning commissions without spending a penny of your hard-earned money on advertising. I'm also going to share paid traffic strategies that you can use to reinvest your profits and scale your affiliate marketing business profits to $10,000 and beyond each month. Membership-based products require someone to pay a monthly fee to use, such as website builders or hosting services. By promoting these products, you can earn commissions every month that someone stays signed up. For example, you can earn recurring commissions from Builderall, a website builder, month after someone buys it through your referral link. We're going to discuss everything you need to know to build a successful affiliate marketing business from scratch, even if you have little to no money to invest. By focusing on membership-based products and using the strategies and resources provided in this video, you can generate consistent monthly cash flow and build a very profitable business. The potential of recurring-based products is enormous, and the free trial offered by many of them makes it easy to sign up for and explore the benefits. However, merely spamming affiliate links on various platforms hoping for a sale will not yield results. You need to approach your business more strategically to increase conversions. The first step is to sign up for the platform that you wish to promote. It is always beneficial to choose a product or service with a free trial to familiarize oneself with the software or product's workings and understand the target audience. For instance, Jasper AI is a copywriting tool primarily aimed at marketers but could also target people selling on Amazon. Additionally, the tool has specific features targeted toward YouTubers that help generate video topic ideas, which could be a useful way to promote a product or service. Some of the best recurring affiliate programs for social media management are Crowdfire, which offers a 35% recurring commission of up to $420 for each customer. Agorapulse offers 20% recurring commissions. SocialPilot offers 30% recurring commissions. SocialUmph with 40% recurring commissions. Tailwind offers a 15% recurring commissions. vidIQ with 20% recurring commissions. And finally, Plainable pays 20% recurring commissions. Here are some additional examples for web hosting, CRMs and automation, email marketing, e-commerce, VPNs, landing pages, WordPress, live chat, chatbots, design and graphics, search engine optimization, online courses, payment processors, time tracking, marketing, cloud storage, webinars, recruitment, advertising, affiliate program management, sports, podcasts, making money online, project management, cryptocurrency, finance, supplements, fundraising, food and beverages, real estate, travel, education, and finally, beauty. Once you have identified a target audience and a product or service that pays a recurring commission that appeals to you, the next step is to plug it into a simple sales funnel to start earning commissions on autopilot. A sales funnel is like a simplified website or landing page that takes the customer through various steps of the sales process automatically. You can attract free traffic to a straightforward landing page where visitors are requested to provide their email address to watch a short video offering some kind of value. Your video will contain an affiliate link leading to the product, which will help you earn recurring monthly commissions. By collecting emails from your landing page visitors, you can continue to promote other affiliate products that may help them in the future. This email list will increase conversion rates as it will allow you to continue to reach out to potential customers. To set up your sales funnel, you will need to create a simple landing page, as seen in the Kartra example shown here, which can be targeted toward any kind of target audience. You could also use ClickFunnels or any other landing page builder to build your page. The page's headline should be clear and concise. It should state the benefits of the product or service and include your affiliate link embedded in the video. Your landing page should include a compelling call to action. By following these steps, we can create a successful sales funnel that will help you earn recurring commissions. Once you have created your funnel landing page and your affiliate link, the next step is to start driving traffic to your funnel. This is where most affiliate marketers get stuck, as they struggle to find a consistent and reliable source of traffic. There are two main types of traffic: free and paid. Free traffic includes things like social media, content marketing, and SEO, while paid traffic includes things like Google Ads, Facebook or Instagram ads, and influencer marketing. Both types of traffic have their pros and cons, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your budget and marketing goals. If you're just starting out, it may be best to focus on free traffic methods until you can afford to invest in paid traffic. Some effective free traffic methods include social media marketing platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to build your brand, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your funnel. Content marketing: create high-quality blog posts, videos, and other content that provide value to your target audience and includes links to your opt-in page. Search engine optimization will optimize your website and content for search engines to increase your visibility and drive organic traffic to your landing page and sales funnel. Some effective paid traffic methods include Google Ads. You can use Google's advertising platform to display ads that will drive qualified traffic to your sales funnel for people searching for your relevant keywords. Another option is Facebook and Instagram ads. You can use this advertising platform to target your ideal audience with ads for your sales funnel. Influencer marketing. You can partner with popular influencers in your niche to promote your funnel to their audience. Whichever traffic method you choose, it's important to track your results and adjust your strategy as needed. Use tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Insights to monitor your traffic, conversions, and ROI, and make changes to your funnel and traffic sources as necessary. By finding the right products, creating a simple sales funnel, and driving targeted traffic to your funnel, you can start earning commissions on autopilot. Just remember to be ethical and transparent in your marketing efforts, and always prioritize providing value to your audience. Let me show you how to create a sales funnel using the Kartra platform and how to generate commissions through email marketing. Creating a sales funnel on Kartra is straightforward and can be done through a few simple steps. The platform offers a range of templates, and you can choose from among many pre-designed sales funnels, including a list builder. Your pages can be edited using Kartra's drag-and-drop editor. The platform also offers email marketing software to send automated emails, and you can edit the email templates provided in their simple system. An email sequence is set up to be triggered whenever a person enters their information on the opt-in page. Kartra also provides an affiliate program that can be used to generate commissions, which pays you 40% recurring commissions. The platform offers a range of affiliate links, including recorded demos and links to Facebook groups, which can be used to promote the platform to the email list. This platform offers a range of affiliate products, such as TubeBuddy, a YouTube tool that pays up to 30% recurring commissions. Building an email list is crucial to succeed in affiliate marketing. You can earn significant profits as your email list grows and as you generate sales from your email subscribers. There are various ways to generate traffic to your landing page for free. Some of these include guest posting, podcasting, and social media marketing. Remember the importance of providing valuable content to your visitors to attract traffic and build relationships. Affiliate marketing is a popular and profitable business model that enables you to earn money by promoting other people's products or services. However, for affiliate marketing to be successful, you will need a well-planned and executed strategy that utilizes various tools and platforms. Let's discuss the various steps involved in creating a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Step number 1. The first step in creating an effective affiliate marketing strategy is to choose the right affiliate program. The affiliate program you choose should have a good reputation and offer high-quality products and good commissions. You should also consider the niche you want to target, as this will affect the products you promote and the audience you will attract. The second step is to build your audience. This involves creating content that is relevant and valuable to your target audience. You can create content in various forms, including blog posts, videos, and social media posts. The content should focus on the benefits of the products you promote and how they can solve the problems of your target audience. The third step is using social media platforms effectively to drive traffic to your landing page. These platforms are an excellent tool for promoting affiliate products. It is essential to avoid spammy posts and instead focus on creating high-quality posts that provide value to your audience. You can also join relevant Facebook groups to promote your products and build your audience. Paid traffic is the fourth effective way of promoting your affiliate products. You can use platforms such as Google AdWords, Bing Ads, and Facebook ads to create ads that target your audience. Paid traffic can be costly, so it is important to choose the right keywords and optimize your ads to maximize your return on investment. You will want to be careful to track your return on your promotional budget investment. You should always seek to earn more than you spend. Step 5. Creating high-converting landing pages is essential for converting your traffic into sales. Your landing page should be optimized for the keywords you are targeting and should include a clear call to action. You can easily use landing page builders such as Instapage, Kartra, ClickFunnels, or Leadpages to create high-quality landing pages that convert to sales and commissions for you. Step number 6 is email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for promoting affiliate products. You can use email marketing tools such as MailChimp, Automizy, MailTag, ConvertKit, or Aweber to create and send compelling email campaigns to your subscribers. Creating an effective affiliate marketing strategy requires time, effort, and a willingness to experiment and adjust as needed. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create a successful and profitable affiliate marketing strategy that can generate a steady stream of recurring income. Remember to focus on building your audience, creating high-quality content, and promoting your products using social media, paid traffic when you can afford it, and email marketing. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve success in the world of affiliate marketing. By combining paid and free traffic strategies and promoting membership-based products, it is possible to increase revenue and scale up your business. As you begin creating your business, be systematic. Follow the step-by-step process outlined here. Be patient with yourself and keep at it. This is not a sprint. It's a long-distance race. I hope that you have enjoyed our presentation and taken careful notes about this process that you can follow to begin earning income online. I have provided additional details and links in the notes below. Again, please click to like and subscribe and share this video and our channel with your friends so that they can get started making additional income with affiliate marketing. I hope you will check back soon to see more videos that will help you make more money, build wealth, and improve the quality and luxury of your life.